We have created two classes so far, item class and status class. All the code are in one app.ts file. This file keeps growing larger and larger. The coding is getting messier and hard to maintain. If we continue creating snake class in the same file, the problem will be getting worse. Here, we need to do code refactoring before creating more classes. But how can we refactor the code? It's simple, splitting each class into separate files. Next step, create a new folder named Modules under src folder. Create two new files, one named item.ts, another is named as status.ts. Keep the file name camel case. Move the code of item class from app.ts into item.ts. Move the code of status class from app.ts into status.ts. Comment out the testing code. Now we have separated the classes into different files, but how can we make them accessible for other files? In item.ts file, scroll down to the bottom, type export default, followed by class name item. This JavaScript expression makes the current class as global variable, so other files are able to access it. Repeat the same steps in status.ts file, export default status class. Go back to app.ts file. We need to import those classes before using them. Type import item from .modules/item. Import status from .modules/status. Create a new item class and status class to test if those classes are still working properly. Now we have completed the code refactoring. Next chapter, we will talk about how to create the snake class.